Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jackson County in Florida, southeastern Holmes County in Florida, northeastern Washington County in Florida, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chipley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chipley, Mariana, Cottondale, Alfred, Steel City, Richter Crossroads, Chipley Municipal Airport, Kinesville, Cottondale Airport, Boma, Sunny Hills, and Poplar Head. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Holmes and Washington,